everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this series, we'll cover autonomous agents with Copilot Studio for beginners. Let's get started. Just a brief look at my socials, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on subscribe to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. What is an agent? Agent is an experience that uses AI to automate business processes. They can work with the person or on behalf of a person. They can also work on behalf of a team or organization. Agents are basically expert systems that operate automatically on behalf of a process or a company. You can configure, secure, and test your agent using Copilot Studio. Let's touch upon what are the different agent types. The agent types can vary in complexity from simple prompt and response to advanced autonomous agents. Agents can also vary in terms of capabilities. For example, a retrieval agent, a task agent, and autonomous agent. So, retrieval agent retrieves information from the knowledge sources, which is the grounding data. Whereas a task agent, it will take actions when asked and automate workflows. Autonomous agents, they operate independently and dynamically plan and respond to various signals across the business. They can initiate tasks and make decisions independently without human intervention or input. And they can also escalate if any help is necessary to a human. So Copilot Studio is a tool to build agents. It is a conversational AI product that can help you to build your own agents or extend Microsoft 365 Copilot or other Microsoft Copilots. In this series, we'll cover how to build autonomous agents for your own industry as well as your business functions. Here is example of an agent. The example is engagement management agent. This agent helps to staff incoming engagement requests from clients. Let's talk how you can tailor your agent according to your business needs. You start with a trigger where you tell your agent when to act. Then you provide instructions to the agent, which it has to follow. Then you connect your agent to your knowledge and applications. Based on this, the agent creates a dynamic plan and takes action based on your instructions and knowledge. Let's go through the high level steps for building an autonomous agent. First, we create an agent by describing it and providing instructions how the agent should act. The second step is designing the agent's behavior. You provide triggers to tell when your agent should act, and you can also connect your agent to your grounding knowledge and create actions for your agent. Once you build the autonomous agent, you have to publish it to different channels like Teams and websites. And the last step is monitoring and managing the agent. Let's go to the first step. So the first step is you describe your own agent to create it. Once it's created, you provide instructions how your agent should act. Here you can see one of the sample instructions for an autonomous agent. The next step is adding a trigger. So the trigger tells how the agent will respond to any kind of external event or external system event or input. So you have different types of triggers here. For example, you can actually trigger when a new email arrives, when a row is added to Dataverse. These are all Power Automate triggers. They tell when your agent should act. Once you do that, you can just proceed to adding your knowledge. So you connect the agent to your knowledge resources like your public websites, SharePoint, files, and Dataverse. Once that's done, you can create your own topics with questions, conditions, and actions. You can also build your own actions. So actions allow your agent to converse over your APIs. These actions are based on like 1,000 plus pre-built connectors in Power Automate, or you can create your own ones for your custom APIs. Uh, Conversation is automatically generated to fill in the required inputs to run your actions. So you can call an action explicitly from a topic, or you can use the generative actions capability to let your agent figure out when to call your action. So once you build your agent, you can publish it to various channels like Microsoft Teams, your custom website, and so on and so forth. After you publish your agent, you can analyze the agent performance and how your agent is used using the agent analytics. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.